Hello everyone! I'm going to talk about how an adolescent emotionally responds to the difficult experiences such as losing a loved one, parental rejection, and fear of rejection. This situation can deeply affect the teenagers because in this stage, this life, when they're still learning how to understand and manage our emotion. Let's find out. First in death. So, number one, losses of loved one. When an adolescent loses someone they love, they often go through strong and changing emotion. At first, they may feel shocked and denial. They believe that what happened. Some may even feel an emotion numb. As the time passes, deeper emotions like sadness, anger, and fear, or even guilt appear. They might to understand a really of the loss. This emotion can be overwhelming, especially since they're still developing our emotional awareness. Grief is also affect their daily life. They may lose interest in activities once they are enjoyed, have a difficulty focusing on the schools, experiencing challenges, and sleep and appetite. Sometimes, the emotion in the waves, they may seem okay. One moment, then suddenly feel intense sadness again. Just like me. Even though grief is painful, adolescents can slowly learn how to cope. If especially when they receive a support from his family, friends, and even trusted people. Talking about their feelings, sharing memories, and can help them to heal and move forward while still remembering their loved ones. Okay, we can go into the parental rejection. Now, we can proceed to the parental rejection. Let's go! Parental rejection. Hi guys, this is parental rejection. Now, other difficult experience the feeling of rejection unsupported by parents since our parents are usually main source of our love and security. Not the feeling accepted at the home can difficult hurt to adolescents. They may start to feel sad, unwanted, or not good enough. Aww. This can be the damage their self-esteem and make them question their worth because home is supposed to be a safe place. This situation can be feel especially in pain and confusing. So, some adolescents may choose to keep their emotions and themselves to avoid communicating with their parents. Others may distance and themselves to protect their feelings. These emotional struggles can also their behavior. They have may loss of interest to her hobbies, struggles to schools, and experience the changes in eating habits. Over time, they can affect many areas to their lives, including to their mood, energy, relationship, and academic performance. Now, we can proceed to the
Reject on fears!
fear rejection is also very common during adolescence, but it can be very painful. At this stage, friendships are extremely important, and feeling out or ignore strongly affect the teenager's emotional well-being. They can feel sad, stressed, or develop a low self-confidence. Some adolescents may avoid social situations to protect themselves to being hurt again. Others they become quiet, distant, or less willing to make a new friends. They might find out harder trust the others to open up emotionally. Because of this, they can become more sensitive. Even the small comments can feel hurtful. They may overthink social interaction to worry how much about the other see them. And this experience continue, they can be affect the mood, motivation, and even the performance into the school. So for the conclusion, adolescents experience a strong and something overwhelming emotion when they go through difficult events like lost parental rejection and peer rejection. This experience can affect how they think, feel, and behave. However, with the right support system such as family, friends, and teachers, or trusted individuals, they can learn how to cope, and support helps to feel understood more or less alone. Over time, adolescents can rebuild them confidence, better to understand their emotions, and develop the healthier ways to dealing with the challenges. While this experience painful, they can help young people to become stronger and resilient and emotionally aware as they grow as an adulthood. So, guys, this is my vlog and thank you for watching my vlog. See you on next video.
Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh, darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you try. I never
Hi, guys.
felt so
Bye, next other
free
day.
as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir, baby. I was made for the stars. Listen to my voice, listen.